India's healthcare system is going through a massive digital transformation, and one of the biggest emerging opportunities is in digital health records, also known as DHR. These cloud-based platforms allow patients and doctors to securely access medical histories, prescriptions, test results, and more, anytime, anywhere. And here's the best part. The government is actively supporting this shift through policies like the Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, ABDM. From large hospitals to small clinics, everyone is moving away from paper and toward digital. This makes now the perfect time to launch your own DHR business. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to start a digital health records business in India, from planning and investment to legal setup and marketing. Here's what we'll cover. Target audience, market research and market analysis, marketing and sales strategy, financial planning, including costing and profit margins, funding and investment options, company incorporation and legal requirements, supporting documents needed, how Market Research Universe, MRU, can help. Let's get started. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. This business is ideal for health tech entrepreneurs, private clinics and hospitals, diagnostic centers and labs, telemedicine platforms, pharma chains, and insurance firms. Basically, if you're in the healthcare space and want to modernize how data is managed and accessed, you're in the right place. The digital health records industry in India is scaling quickly. Market size in 2024, $33 billion projected CAGR 2025 to 2030, 5.01%. Why is this happening? The government is pushing digital healthcare through ABDM and NDHM. Doctors want easier access to past medical history. Patients want convenience and control. Digital literacy is increasing rapidly. You'll be competing with players like Practo combines consultation and digital records, Briefcase, an ABDM integrated health locker, HealthPlix, Docon Doctor First clinical platforms. Still, there's a huge gap in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, small clinics, and corporate wellness spaces. That's where new players can thrive. Here's how you market and sell your DHR platform. 1. Partner with clinics and labs. Offer them free onboarding too. Use a freemium model, free for basic use, charge for analytics or multi-location access. 3. Leverage ABDM integration. Builds trust instantly. 4. Run ads on LinkedIn and Google targeting healthcare professionals. 5. Host webinars, do demo calls, and offer early adopter discounts. Remember, doctors trust other doctors. Use testimonials and case studies in your marketing. Let's talk about money. How much will it cost and how much can you earn? Startup cost estimate, tech development, MVP, rupees 12-15 lakhs. Salaries, 5-member team, rupees 18-25 lakhs. Legal, marketing office, rupees 10-15 lakhs. Total, rupees 40 to 55 lakhs. Recurring expenses, cloud storage and security, customer support and compliance. Continuous tech updates. Profit margin. If you're following a SaaS model, once your fixed costs are recovered, you can expect 60-70% gross profit margins. Recurring revenue from hospitals and B2B clients makes this model highly scalable. How do you fund this? Start lean and bootstrap with a basic MVP. Apply for Startup India Seed Fund, BIRAC grants, or state-level innovation funds. Pitch to angel networks and VCs focused on health tech. Partner with large hospital chains or insurance firms for strategic investment. Once you have early traction, investors will be more confident in your unit economics and user growth. To operate legally in India, follow these steps. 1. Register as a private limited company or LLP. 2. Apply under the Startup India Scheme 3. Get GST and MSME registration 4. Enroll in the ABDM sandbox to integrate with National Systems 5. Create policies for data privacy, security, and HIPAA Digital Personal Data Protection Act compliance. Documents you'll need: PAN and Aadhaar of all founders, office address proof, certificate of incorporation, company PAN, GSTIN, privacy policy, terms of use, NDHM, sandbox registration certificate, bank account, and MOA AOA. Launching a digital health records business is a big opportunity, but it needs solid planning, regulatory support, and market insights. That's where we, Market Research Universe, MRU, come in. Our services include real-time market research reports, market feasibility reports, business plan, customized go-to-market strategies, competitive landscape and pricing intelligence, forecast models and investment benchmarks, investor-ready pitch, decks, business registration. Let us help you go from idea to implementation with data-backed confidence.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.